Hi guys, welcome to another video where we help solve all your tech shopping queries. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best 240Hz monitors that will help you with all your image viewing needs. If you want a monitor for competitive gaming, you need to get your hands on a model that has a quick response and fast refresh rates. Since these monitors have a high speed, they're also slightly a bit more expensive. Sure enough, you would not want to waste your money on something that you cannot even use for a long time. That's why in this video we'll help you find the right monitor for all your gaming needs. After extensive research about the durability, quality, longevity, and performance of multiple monitors, we've compiled a list of the 5 best ones that you can get your hands on. So keep watching the video to learn more about these awesome monitors. You'll find the links to all the products mentioned in this video in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. Number 5. BenQ Zowie Monitor. BenQ is one of the most reliable companies out there that you can trust for all your gaming and image viewing needs. This monitor has a lightning fast refresh rate with a performance that will leave you in awe of the technology. Owing to that, the monitor will help you a smooth gaming experience whether you're playing alone or with your friends. Moreover, this monitor has an exceptional color vibrancy and black equalizer technology. Due to that, it enhances your vision and allows you to see every color accurately on the screen. Whether you're enjoying a battlefield scene or playing a management game, you'll have the time of your life during gameplay. The monitor also comes with a removable shield, thus it helps you focus on the game by letting you block the outside distractions. Most importantly, the monitor has multiple connectivity options, thus you can use the dual-link DVI-D, HDMI, or DisplayPort depending on your needs. When playing games, you can change everything from your full height to swivel adjustments. Thanks to these features, it becomes very easy for you to customize the monitor for all your gaming requirements. Number 4. Alienware 25 Gaming Monitor. The Alienware gaming monitor has been designed for people who are enthusiastic about gaming. It has a futuristic style with a precise form to meet the needs of all gamers out there. Since it has a solid stability and amazing performance, this monitor will never disappoint. Most important, it has display technology that prevents screen tearing. Owing to that, you will not experience any input lag or display stutter while playing your favorite titles with your buddies. The next time you're having a gaming marathon with your buddies, you can have an upper hand because of the awesome technology of this monitor. Moreover, this monitor also has a specific gaming on-screen display. Thus, it takes your user experience up a notch and lets you experience lag-free performance. Additionally, you can adjust the pivot features, swivel, and height according to your ease and liking. In many ways, you can compare this monitor to the ViewSonic XG series. However, the refresh rate differs between both kinds of monitors. Number 3. Samsung Odyssey G7. When it comes to gaming and viewing performance, Samsung is always ahead of others. This monitor is an example of the company's finesse in terms of making the best technology out there. The unmatched immersion of this monitor is bound to keep you glued to the screen the whole day for gaming. The Odyssey 1000R panel matches the curvature of the watcher's eyes to ensure that there is minimal eye strain. Moreover, it has a WQHD resolution that makes your gaming world brighter and more lifelike than ever. The monitor shows 1.7 times the pixel density than you are used to seeing in standard monitors. Most importantly, the monitor features the QLED technology, which has been designed to show you the best colors possible. Samsung has also used the quantum dot technology in this monitor, which ensures the best quality of every frame you see on the screen. Plus, you'll be able to enjoy 125% more color space as compared to other monitors. Keeping that in mind, we can easily say that this monitor will give you the highest class color reproduction. Now that's a claim that's pretty hard to live up to, but Samsung has done it. Plus, the HDR600 lets you enjoy the hidden depth of the games with this monitor. Now you will be able to see dark corridors and lamps with ultimate ease. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix Monitor. This monitor has a 24.5-inch screen with a 1ms response and native 240Hz refresh rate. Thanks to these features, you will be able to enjoy gaming to the fullest with this monitor. No matter which game you're playing, this monitor will ensure your ultimate enjoyment and excitement. Plus, it has Aura RGB lighting and LED lighting effect. that can be customized according to your needs. Therefore, you can convert your ordinary desk space into a gaming den as per your needs. An even better thing about this monitor is that it comes with ASUS eye care technology. Therefore, when you're having gaming marathons with your friends, you will not experience any eye strain. The monitor will prevent eye ailments as it is TUV Rainland certified. Moreover, the monitor has a blue light filter that will keep your eyes safe from the effect of long-term gaming. In addition, this monitor is compatible with G-Sync that lets you enjoy tear-free gaming. Therefore, you will experience a fast refresh rate without any lag in your gameplay. Now that's what we call a fun gaming experience. You don't want the game to get stuck on the screen while you're attempting to complete an important mission in the game, do you? Moreover, the monitor also has flexible connectivity options such as DisplayPort and HDMI 1.4, so it allows you to play in your comfort zone like a pro. Thanks to the game-grade ergonomics such as height adjustments and tilt customization, you can enjoy all your favorite titles in the most comfortable positions. The company also gives a warranty of 3 years for their monitor. Do you know what's the best part about this ASUS monitor? You can customize the game visual settings and save them to an AXML file. Then you can share this file with other users who have the same monitor. Number 1. AOC AGON Gaming Monitor. Although the ASUS monitor is super cool, we have something else in the first place. The AOC gaming monitor is a 27-inch monitor that is made for professional gamers. You can enjoy full HD resolution on the screen with a blistering fast 240Hz performance and a fast refresh rate. As a result, you will have a lag-free and stutter-free gaming experience to enjoy every new and old game in a similar way. Plus, the monitor allows a lot of connectivity options since it has VGA inputs and HDMI 2.0. Moreover, it has a display port, letting you connect to the monitor in different ways. Since the monitor has a low input lag, you will be able to react in the game just in time to beat your competition or be ahead of your buddies. Furthermore, the monitor has a quick switch gaming mode and comes with a controller to adjust the scenes according to the title you're playing. Additionally, the monitor has a 0.5 ms rapid response, due to which you will have a blazing fast cutting-edge pixel response in the game. As a result, the game won't smear on the screen, nor will there be any ghosting to keep you behind all the other gamers. With this monitor, you can enjoy fast-moving action with dramatic transitions in the smoothest gameplay that you have ever experienced. The best part about this monitor is that it comes with a 4-year warranty and a one-time accidental damage warranty. That's enough to tell you that the company is determined to ensure customer satisfaction. Wrapping up, let's just say that choosing the best 240Hz monitor can be a bit of a task because you don't want to spend all your money on something that won't even serve you while gaming. That's why we have focused on different factors in this review, including the refresh speed, performance, and eye care technology. In doing so, we try to ensure that you have picked out a wide selection of gaming monitors for you to choose from. If you wish to see more videos like this from our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Take care till next time, and don't forget to check out the links for all these products in the description box.